Welcome to Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change camera from left to right Samsung, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Camera app on your Samsung phone. You can find it in your home screen or in app drawer. Step 2. Now that you're in camera menu, you might be trying to take a selfie and notice that your camera mode is set to left side. Don't worry, this is completely normal, and we're going to fix it in just a few simple steps. Step 3. Next, look at top left corner of your screen. You'll see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Tap it to open camera settings. Step 4. Once you're in settings menu, scroll down until you find an option called Save Selfie as Preview. By default, this option is usually turned off, which means your selfies appear flipped. To fix this, simply tap toggle button next to it to turn it on. Step 5. Now, go back to your camera menu and take a selfie. You'll see that your camera has now changed from left to right, displaying image just as you see yourself in mirror. And that's it. You've successfully changed your camera orientation on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.